What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. So for a lot of you guys right now, you are going back to school. I'm so sorry that you're going back to school. Actually, let me stop because I actually really liked school. I enjoyed college thoroughly. I can't say the same for high school. I had fun in high school, but high school classes are just, there's something special. Not everyone's made out to go to college, but if you are and you really do want to go to college, you need to get your grades straight and you need to have a bomb GPA. But that's not what I'm here for. I'm not here to lecture you guys. I am here to lecture you guys on makeup. So today's tutorial is actually going to be a back to school tutorial. This could be for either high school or college. In all honesty though, high school, I used to barely do my makeup, but that's just because I didn't discover makeup yet. And college, I did not really wear a stitch of makeup to school, if I'm being really honest. But not all of you are as lazy as I was. So if you want a really cute, simple, and pretty look to wear to school on your first day or just in general, then keep on watching. Alright guys, so I am starting off by priming my face with the TooFaced Hangover RX primer. I love this primer because it's super moisturizing and it does keep your makeup locked in for a good long time. Next, I'm going in with the Nars Tinted Moisturizer. This is the best when you're going to something that's simple and you do not need full coverage. So this is perfect for school because it gives you a light to medium coverage, covers up anything that you don't want to see, but it is still very light on the skin. So I got some spots going on right now, so I'm gonna take my LA Girl Pro Conceal and just dot that onto where I have my spots. And I'm going to gently tap those out so it is not to disrupt any of the tinted moisturizer I have underneath and to give these guys more coverage. Now for under the eyes, because I have eye bags that have eye bags, basically they are Gucci, they are Chanel, they are pop-in. So I need a little bit of the Born This Way multi-use sculpting concealer. This is really, really good for covering up those dark circles. And I'm only gonna use a tiny bit of this because you don't wanna go to school looking cake face. Trust me, you're gonna sweat, it's not gonna be cute. Now I'm taking the Rimmel Stay Matte Loose Setting Powder. I love this powder. It's actually been super, super good for locking everything in for a really good long time. So this is definitely my first choice, that is drugstore. And after about 2 or 3 minutes, I'm gonna wipe that all off because it is all nice and set. So now we're gonna move on to bronzer. You definitely wanna have a little bit more dimension in your face since we took it all away with that tinted moisturizer. So I just like using the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. This has been my favorite. It smells super good and it gives a really beautiful color. So after getting rid of my double chin, I'm actually going to do a step that is optional. You could actually take that butter bronzer and with a light fluffy brush, you can dust that onto your crease to give your eyes a little bit more dimension. Like I said, this is optional. There's no need to wear eyeshadow to school, but I really like this for defining my eyes. And I'm just going to give our cheeks a flush of color with the Laura Mercier Blush Color Infusion in the shade Rosé. And you guys know my favorite step is highlighter. So I'm taking the Benefit What's Up highlighter. This is the little mini version. And I'm just gonna pop that onto the tops of my cheekbones. I love this highlighter. It basically just melts into your skin. It is amazing. And it has a great natural finish. This step is super, super important to me. I love to curl my lashes. This is just a Tarte eyelash curler, but you could get whichever one from the drugstore. But this step is super important. So I like to take the Covergirl Flourish by Lash Blast and make my eyelashes look super, super long and separated. And that just opens up your eyes. And don't forget those little bottom lashes, guys. All right, I am a lip gloss girl through and through, so I am taking the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb, and I'm just gonna make my lips look super, super juicy, and that is going to complete our look today. We look fresh, and we look cute, and we are ready for school. All right guys, and that is it. This is the completed look for this back to school makeup look. As you can see, it's really soft and very natural and pretty. I don't want you guys to think that you have to go to school looking overboard like an Instagram makeup person. Like, you don't need that. You do not have to go to school with lashes on and all this crazy stuff. Just focus on school. For me, if I knew a lot about makeup while I was in high school or in college, this is probably the look that I would have done, just because it's super easy. I could do it in like around 15 minutes, 20 minutes, and I'm good and out the door. So if you guys enjoyed this look, please do not forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.